Hello, my name is RITA VALLBONA. I work in the Work Package 3 of ONTOX. I work in Product User, and Work Package 3 takes care of the in silico approaches for the ONTOX project. And one of the in silico approaches that we wanted to explore is the use of molecular modeling to make predictions. So our idea was to develop an online server for molecular docking so that it's really easy for the user to utilize. So they can just input a query molecule and they can select any protein relevant to the molecular initiating events of the AOPs and have the predictions of the binding affinity and the interaction fraction. We have already included 23 proteins associated with MIEs for the 3 organs that are the case studies for ONTOX. The output of our server is both the binding energy as well as a breakout of all of the interactions that your query ligand has with the protein. We did a validation of this server, of the workflow that is behind the server, using the PPAR alpha protein as an example. We used the NURA database information about the PPAR alpha protein, and we selected some binders, non-binders and weak binders, to run them through the structure that we had in the server and obtain these results, which are curious because you can see that when you only look at the binding affinity, you cannot really see a difference between binders and non-binders, but when you look at the interaction fraction, you can actually see differences between non-binders and binders. So what is this interaction fraction? It is the type of interactions and the residues that your query ligand has with and it has in common with the reference list of interactions that we have established. And why did we do that? Well, we took several crystals of the same protein with several ligands as the reference to build this reference of this list of reference interactions. So this is an added value to this server because no docking server that we know about has this information. So it's much more informative than any other. And on top of that, we have developed 2 QSAR models for PPAR alpha, one for activation and one for inhibition. They are classification models and have good metrics, and they are designed to be combined with the docking server. And the docking server as well is designed to be combined with the rest of QSAR models that have been developed for the Work Package 3, so that they add on the weight of evidence and then can be integrated in the QAOPs. So the takeout message of this is that we can develop really easy to use tools for users to make predictions really easily and get a lot of information and not only a binary prediction.